Assalamualaikum and a very good day. Today I would like to share with you some of the project that have been done by my student. Okay, for your information, we already finish. We are already end for 2019-2020 semester 2. Okay, we just finished that the semester, and I teach artificial intelligence. Okay, for the program of biomedical engineering, and during what I cover in artificial intelligence is one of this is the last topic for this course, which is I also cover the introduction to deep learnings. So of course, during the semester, we need to done the teaching or online teaching. That is because of the COVID-19 pandemic. So of course, by having online teaching, it's difficult for us to conduct a very good project that related to deep learning. So because my original plan is we want uh, to 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 ask the student to do a deep learning which is related to classifying an image of several different applications. But because of COVID-19 pandemic, where we cannot go outside to collect the data, so it's very difficult to do that kind of project. So uh, which is why I come out with some idea, okay, where instead of collecting data uh, from the outside, which is we cannot done that. So what I do is I asked all the students to do the project related to COVID-19, which is called um, face mask detection. Meaning that we want to develop the application that can recognize whether the pictures containing a person that wearing a mask or not. So everyone to have to do that. So how can we collect the data without going outside? So it's not so difficult. So I ask each and every student to do some selfie of him or herself. Okay, so every day they need to capture 20 image samples. Meaning that why 20? Okay, 10 is for not wearing mask and another 10 is for wearing mask. And then I separate into two type of view mode. One is a near mode, another one is far mode. So the near modes means the face must cover 70% of the entire image, and the far modes mean the face as well as the chest must cover 70% of the entire image. So that means one view mode you need to have 10 image, and then another view mode you need to have another 10 image. And of course each view mode have two type. One is a non-wearing mask and another one is wearing a mask. So we have two classes, so it will total up to 10 image per day. So I ask the student to do this 14 days continuously. So that's mean if your group have 5 members, then you need to have about 1400 sample image. Okay, so each group will have the data set of 1400 sample image. So by using this 1400 sample image, then we will use this to train our deep learning model, which is a convolution neural network, to classify and develop the application which is capable to classify between the face without face mask and the face with a face mask. So today I would like to demo the the developed algorithm or the developed model that have been done by the student. So they are using their face to as a data set, as a training data set. Now I try to demo their model, but I will test using my own face, so to see whether the model is working or not. So I hope you enjoy to see the what have been done by my student. Okay, you can see the applications there. Okay, this is the application that have been developed by my students. So now I would like to test the system. You can see that without wearing mask, it will label as no mask there at the figure 1 there. So let's say I'm wearing, let's say I'm wearing the face mask, which is a 3-ply mask. Okay, so you can see that the system detected that I'm wearing the mask. Okay, so the good things about this application is that, see, even I try to, you know, turn my head there to produce a different face orientation. It's still detected as I'm wearing a face mask. Okay, if I try to remove this mask, okay, I change my face orientation there, so it's detected as I'm not wearing the mask, so that's why it labels there as a no mask. And another good thing about this system, surprisingly, is the data set that have been used to train this deep learning is I think all the sample are wearing a 3-ply mask. Okay, they are not wearing another type of mask, but I have demonstrate you, okay, when I'm using different type of mask, which is this one. Okay, it's a clothes mask. It's also detected as I'm wearing the mask. Okay, you can see that I try to demo to you. Okay, you can see that it detected as I'm wearing the mask. Okay, of course it's a little bit confusing there. Okay, that is because of again, it's because of the data set that have been trained only contains a subject that wearing a 3-ply mask, is not a cloth mask. But surprisingly, it still work even I test it by using the cloth mask, which is okay. So as you can see there, of course this kind of applications in Malaysia, it's quite interesting, because currently in Malaysia, the government have put the rules there for those who want to go to the public. You need to wearing a mask, otherwise you will get fine of 1,000 ringgit. So which is why this kind of applications might give benefit to the society. Okay, and of course this kind of system can be put in front of the entrance of shopping complex and so on, just if you want to make sure that those who come to your shop is wearing mask. So that's good. Okay, of course again, it's not good result for the case of you are wearing a clothes mask, is because of this system is not trained with this kind of data set, but of course still working a little bit. Okay, so of course you can improve on that, but the things that is very very surprisingly for me is that even I change the face orientation, the system is working. So why is this happen? It's because of, even we have 1,400 sample, where that sample is exactly face the camera directly. Okay, not on side view. but they are using what we call as a image augmenter to increase the data set. Okay, it's not just 1400 samples. It's also include with changing this 1400 sample to different orientation and make it some kind of dummy image to be fit into the deep learning model. Okay. So if I'm using the three-ply mask, okay, it's perfectly capture even from the from this close view or the far view. It's very stable. Okay, so of course this kind of work can be extended to improve again for any kind of mask of, but you need to have the data set or the sample to be trained together inside this model, so it can improve in classifying between many different type of masks. So okay, that is the end of my demonstration. I hope I also want to contribute this video to my student as a souvenir, okay, for artificial intelligence courses, because most of the student in this class is a final year student who will graduate soon, and hopefully you, by having this class, it will make you more interested in artificial intelligence, because recently artificial intelligence is one of the component for Industrial Revolution 4.0. So hopefully you like these courses, and of course for those who interested in continuing your study, you can contact me. If you are interested in this artificial intelligence computer vision fields, you may contact me. And thank you so much.